Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest insights on the best tools for your home. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best cast iron skillet set on the market right now. The Simple Chef 3-piece cast iron skillet set. Pre-seasoned, heavy-duty, and crafted for both home cooks and professional chefs. This set is all about versatility, durability, and performance. Whether you're whipping up breakfast or searing steaks, this is the cookware you'll reach for again and again. The Simple Chef Skillet Bundle includes 3 pans, 8 inches, 10 inches, and a massive 12 inches. These sizes are ideal for everything from sautéing vegetables and frying eggs to cooking large cuts of meat. Their construction? 100% cast iron, which means they're naturally durable and built to last for generations if taken care of properly. They come pre-seasoned right out of the box, so you can start cooking immediately, without that lengthy seasoning process. Let's talk about cooking performance. These skillets offer superb heat retention and even distribution, essential for perfect browning and caramelization. Cast iron excels at holding high heat, which makes it ideal for searing and frying. And thanks to their pre-seasoned surfaces, you get that semi-nonstick performance that only improves with use. You can use these pans on any heat source, gas stoves, electric coils, smooth surface induction tops, and even in the oven. That makes them great for recipes that start on the stove and finish in the oven, like cornbread, frittatas, or pan-roasted chicken. The build is solid. These skillets feel hefty and reliable in the hand. The matte black finish isn't just stylish, it's also functional. The handles are cast into the body, making them sturdy and safe for high-heat cooking. While they don't include silicone grips, the straight cast iron handles give you confidence over an open flame or grill, just as easily as on the stovetop. Because this is a cast iron set, you'll want to avoid dishwashers and use proper maintenance. A quick hand wash, dry, and light oil coating will keep these pans in top condition. In return, they'll develop an incredible seasoning layer over time, adding flavor and resilience. This set is especially ideal for those looking to build or upgrade their cookware arsenal. Whether you're just starting out, cooking for a family, or leveling up your kitchen game, this 3-piece set covers all the bases. The price point also makes it accessible, especially considering the professional-grade performance and long-term value you're getting. And let's not forget, this product supports a small business brand. So when you pick it up, you're also backing independent sellers, not just large corporations. With its solid construction, high performance, and versatility, this is hands down the best cast iron skillet pre-seasoned heavy-duty set we've reviewed. Whether you're cooking indoors or over a campfire, this trio is built to deliver. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used this skillet set or want to see us compare it with others like Lodge or Utopia Kitchen, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.